Okay, hey guys, welcome to it. I just got the video roll, and I'm going to be showing you how to break yourself in this game. Quarantine related game. This hard game. This game is so hard. I didn't get any cores. Yeah. All you have to do is spawn your dummy or get an NPC, it doesn't matter. Then use your angelic guitar C move. If the NPC already despawned, or if the NPC despawned, you will be stuck like this. Or if you just despawn your training dummy, you will also be stuck like this. Oh, I got a holy core. But they need to fix this because some NPCs cannot get this boss out. I got to escape. Oh, you're actually immune to some of bosses. Like, look at this. If you're projectiles, you're immune. So this is sort of like a god mode glitch. To some. But you'll still die. Oh my god! I got it at the damned. This is my second legendary today. But I don't care. I don't want it. I kind of called it. I'm gonna get it, but anyways, yeah, they need to fix this ASAP. Cause some moves you're god with. But bye, guys. Please subscribe to me. I have no subscribers. I only have 2 subscribers. Don't check.